Hey online entrepreneurs, it's Grace here from Printbest, your print-on-demand partner. Today we're tackling one of the biggest questions that online entrepreneurs have. Is using the dropshipping business model worth it? You've probably heard a lot about dropshipping already, and with the pandemic skyrocketing online sales, you might be thinking about giving it a try. After all, the global dropshipping market is expected to reach almost $600 billion by 2027. But before we jump in, we want to hear from you. Is dropshipping something that you're thinking about for your business? Leave us a comment below on what kind of products you're thinking of selling. And if you're interested in more topics to help you start your online business, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So to begin with, what is dropshipping? It's when the products that you sell go straight from the manufacturer to your customer. This means you're not keeping any inventory yourself. Here are some of the most popular dropshipping business models. Print on demand, which is when custom items are produced when your customer places an order. Product reselling, which is when you resell pre-made products from the manufacturer. And business extensions, which is when you run an online store for a manufacturer that doesn't have one themselves. So, is dropshipping profitable? Let's take a look at a few of the pros and cons. If you're looking for a full list, we have one on our blog article, which is linked in the description below. The advantage of dropshipping is that you have very low startup costs. You don't need to invest in things like equipment or storage. All you need is a little bit of cash to start your online store and then advertise it. And because the investment is so low, it's also good for testing the market. You don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on items that potentially won't even sell. With dropshipping, you only pay for products after you get an order, so there's no wastage or unnecessary risk. But on the other hand, dropshipping often means you have limited control over how items are produced or shipped. Some orders can take a really long time, especially if their factory is overseas. Plus, since you're paying someone else, your profit margins can be pretty low. Dropshipping is so popular right now that there are people selling the same products at much lower prices, so the competition can be tough on your profits. You're going to have to find a dropshipping supplier with competitive pricing. So to summarize the pros and cons, whether dropshipping is worth it depends on the kind of entrepreneur that you are. Are you just starting out with a limited budget, testing things out to find the right opportunity? Do you like to start small and build your way up? If so, dropshipping is a great choice for you. Or are you more experienced with a larger budget to invest and you're not afraid to go all the way in? Do you want more control over the production process, and are you willing to pay more upfront to achieve this? If so, dropshipping is probably not right for you. But now, on top of these pros and cons, you also have to weigh the effects of the pandemic. The global pandemic increased e-commerce by 93% in May 2020. Here's how that affected dropshipping. First, it made shipping costs go up for certain countries. It also caused shipping delays, especially with overseas manufacturers. This delay had a major impact on dropshippers as their customers weren't getting their products in time. A lot of North American businesses learned the importance of choosing a North American manufacturer during this time. Another impact of the pandemic was that a lot of people lost their jobs. In its first few months, unemployment in the US rose higher than it ever was in the last 70 years. More people started looking for alternative sources of income online. Dropshipping was one of them. So all of a sudden you have lots of competition, and it's making your customers have higher standards. They want their products faster, cheaper, and with better quality. That means that you have to find dropshipping suppliers that can meet all of those demands. Now, if you're looking for a print-on-demand dropshipper that's fast, affordable, and makes high-quality products, Printbest has you covered. Plus, we're based in North America and we never outsource our printing overseas, so you can expect orders delivered to your customers quickly and conveniently. Check out our link in the description below to learn more. Now, besides the pandemic, dropshipping has been evolving on its own as well. In the last few years, a couple of changes have taken place that actually make it easier to earn money from dropshipping. First, e-commerce platforms are making it easier to start online stores. You can have platforms like Shopify offering 14-day free trials and free shipping apps that connect with your store. Second, there are more dropshipping suppliers than ever before. They're competing against each other to win your business, so you can get better prices, faster fulfillment times, and more products to choose from. Third, there are more people online than ever before, so you have more people that you can sell to. Keep in mind though that there's also more competition, so the trick is to bring something unique and valuable to the market. And finally, learning to run a business is so much easier today than it was before. There are free resources all around the web dedicated to helping you succeed. Our YouTube channel is one of them. We're constantly creating new videos to help entrepreneurs and artists make money online. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Now we get to the million-dollar question. How much can you expect to actually earn from dropshipping? Of course, it depends on what you're selling and how you market it. All businesses are unique, but according to Shopify, within a year of starting your business, you could be earning $1,000 to $2,000 a month if you're working around 10 to 15 hours a week building your business. At the same time, if you choose a hard to sell product and don't promote your business the right way, you could just end up losing money. Of course, there are success stories of entrepreneurs who earn thousands of dollars in a few months, but those are more exceptions and not necessarily the norm. Like all business ventures, it takes hard work, time, creativity, and dedication to succeed. If your business idea is unique and valuable and you're willing to put in the work, then dropshipping is definitely worth it. So what do you think? We've given you some insights on dropshipping, but let us know if you think it's the right choice for you in the comments below. If you're looking to get started dropshipping custom products, we encourage you to visit printbest.com to see what we can do for you. Good luck, thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.